Hello, I'm visiting India for the first time, and I heard your market is famous for its food and items. Can you recommend me a good place to eat?
Welcome to India. Yes, our market is known for its delicious street food. There's a popular stall just down the road where you can try some authentic Indian dishes.
Great! I'll definitely check it out. By the way, I'm also interested in buying some souvenirs to take back home. Do you have any recommendations?
Of course, we have a variety of handmade crafts and traditional Indian items available. Let me show you some.
These are lovely, but I'm afraid they're a bit out of my budget. Is there any room for negotiation on the prices?
Well, I can offer you a discount on some of these items, but they are already priced fairly.
I understand, but I'm on a tight budget. How about we negotiate a bit?
All right, I can offer you a slightly lower price for these items. How does that sound?
It's still a bit high for me. Can you do any better?
I'm sorry, but that's the best I can do. These items are handmade and of high quality.
Okay, I understand. I'll think about it and come back later if I decide to buy. Thank you for your help.
I shouldn't have been so firm with the prices. I might have lost a potential customer. Oh, you came back.
I've decided to take the jewelry and the scarf. Can we agree on a price?
Of course. Since you're buying multiple items, I can offer you a special discount. How does that sound?
That sounds great, thank you.
It's my pleasure. Enjoy your time in India, and if you need any more assistance, don't hesitate to ask.